Hey everyone, welcome back to the Hot Wheels Garage. Today we're opening two BMW M4s, one from the 2017 Factory Fresh series and one from the 2016 100th anniversary BMW series. So let's get straight into the Factory Fresh from 2017. It's actually really nice. I love production cars in Hot Wheels. And this one here in that dark blue, that metal flake dark blue, is really nice. It's wearing those J5 tires and they're in like a chrome color. It's pretty cool. It's got heaps of tampos on this one. You see the headlights. It's got the BMW symbol. It's got a bit of grille there. Really cool. And the back of it there, it's got that M4 symbol. It's got that full glass panoramic roof there in that tinted grey window. It's a really awesome looking car. Let's check out the detailed views. Alright, let's check it out in the BMW 100th anniversary series from 2016. It was released here in this pearl red color and it's got those Trap 5 wheels. We saw them this year, 2018, on the new Camaro, and I really like these wheels. They look really cool, and this car is no exception to those wheels. They are very well matched, and this red color looks pretty cool with the tinted window, and again the tampos on the front there, the headlights, the BMW symbol, and you can even see the Hot Wheels symbol on the number plate section of this car. It's really cool. I really love it. I think I actually like this red one over the blue one. Let me know what you think in the comments down below. Alright, let's check them out on the track. We've got that Super 6-in-1 layout set up, and we'll get that dark metal flake blue on the track. Look at it go. Pretty cool. Hugs that loop nice through the booster. Not bad at all. Pretty good car. I really like it when production cars work on the tracks. That's awesome. Let's get the red one on at the same time. Not bad. Bit of a wipeout for that red one there. Let's give it another go. See if it will continue. Bam. Nice, but I think it wipes out here. Anyway, big thumbs up, leave your comments down below, but most importantly, don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss what's up next in the Hot Wheels Garage. Thanks everyone.